I think I want to design my own lock.
Oh, honey, how are you gonna do that? You're a whole entire
Oh
idiot.
my god, rude.
Well,
She is right, though.
too bad you don't have any friends. Don't you know anyone that can help you make a
Oh,
lock?
wait. I do know somebody. So, Digby Lock and Tool is designing a third lock. Now, if you don't know who Digby Lock and Tool is, then I'm assuming that you have been living under a rock. But if you want some more information, of course, I'm going to leave it in the description for you. But Digby's designing a third lock. But this time, it's going to be a little bit different. He wants the community to get involved in pretty much every aspect of the design of this lock. Everybody's going to get to vote on the different aspects. And at the end, he's going to choose, I think, 9 people, all right, to receive one of the locks. And then kind of be in a picking contest with each other. It's a pretty cool project, and he's invited all the community to get involved. Go watch the videos about the project and vote. Vote. I'm going to leave a link to Digby's channel, Digby's Patreon, the Discord server, all that stuff in the description of this video. But check out, in Digby's own words, what exactly the making of this lock is going to involve.
The Nameless Lock Project starts tomorrow. All the videos will be on my page that lay the groundwork on how it works. But the idea is this, right? We get as many people as possible from Locksport to all come to the same place and use voting and my subpar presentation skills to make choices about what a lock should be, right? And then once we design this thing, I'm going to make 9 of them for the picking competition, and they'll go out wide, global. And we haven't really worked out the application process yet because I want people to have their own say. But yeah, we're going to send out 9 locks wide, and there's a cash prize. So we're going to go from cradle to the grave, from ideas to drawings to CAD to CAM to machining them live. And then at the end, we're going to pick them. And hopefully somebody beats it and wins the prize, because I don't know what to do if we send out 9 and nobody can pick it. That's going to be frustrating. But yeah, that's it. That's the Nameless Lock Project in a nutshell, and starts tomorrow. And the first round of votes open tomorrow. So,
where can we vote?
Yeah, it's on my website.
I hope you all decide to go vote. Check out this video on the ABIS 7240. I know some of you guys are struggling with it. I see your comments on Reddit and on Facebook. Go check out this video if you want some help. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.